Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Windows key if it's not working in your Windows 11. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, I'm just going to open up my on-screen keyboard right here. Now, hold Fn and then the Windows key simultaneously. Okay. Just hold it for about 3 seconds or 5 seconds. And once that's done, go ahead and check it out if it works now. Okay. If that will work, go ahead and go to your taskbar right here, right click on a blank space. Now click on Task Manager. This one will open. Go ahead and find Windows Explorer. Okay, this one. Click on it, right click and hit on Restart. Okay, your Windows Explorer will restart, but don't freak out. Okay, it's normal. So once that's done, go ahead and check your Windows key if it works. If that still will work, go ahead and go to your search bar and type in Device Manager. Click on Device Manager, and here, go ahead over to Keyboards, click on it. Now select your specific keyboard, okay? If you want to, you can go ahead and update all of available keyboards right here, okay? Just click on one, right click and click on Update Driver. Once done, hit on Browse, and let me pick. Choose any of these right here. Choose, and then hit on Next, okay? If this one doesn't work, go ahead and choose the other, and hit on Next. All right? Do the same with each of your keyboards right here. And after that, you should be good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.